The legal battle over Senate Bill 14 continues. That's the state law that bans gender-affirming care for minors.
Here in Austin, today, the Texas Supreme Court began hearing arguments for and against that law. KVUE's Isabella Basco has been tracking this story for us. She was in court when arguments began this morning. And Isabella, what can you tell us?
Well, Brian and Quita, a vigorous discussion taking place between the attorneys on both sides and the justices, with the justices asking all kinds of questions ranging from gender identity to the rights that parents and doctors have when it comes to making decisions for the medical care of their kids. Now, attorneys for the parents suing the state over SB 14 say the law denies them of their rights to make medical decisions for their children, adding that gender dysphoria is a serious medical condition that's marked by distress, and if it's untreated, it can cause depression and lead to self-harm. Doctors who violate the new law and provide gender-affirming care to minors will have their medical licenses revoked. The attorneys for the plaintiffs say that punishment violates a doctor's rights to practice their profession and discriminates against transgender youth.
We know that parents know what type of care their children need, but now Texas is saying no, you can't do this, despite the fact that every major medical association says this is medically safe, effective care. Texas politicians' attack on transgender youth and their families is unnecessarily cruel.
Attorneys with the Office of the Attorney General argue the legislation is about protecting kids from procedures that could cause lifelong irreversible effects. They also argue the law frequently differentiates between minors and adults, saying Texas doesn't allow kids to use tanning beds or to get tattoos, so there are limitations to what children can do under the law. Leaders with Texas Values, that's an organization that supports the law, says it's about protecting kids.
There are plenty of people that are looking to help, whether it's through mental health services, counseling, psychology, psychiatry.
Now, it's not clear when the court will make a ruling in the case. Now, a Travis County judge previously ruled that this new law is unconstitutional, but the state appealed, allowing that new law to go into effect. And that's what brings us here back to the Texas Supreme Court. And also similar laws in other states have also faced legal challenges. Reporting live from the Texas Supreme Court, Isabella Basco for KVUE News.